Ever wondered what's truly inside the legendary Berkshire Hathaway empire? Step 1. Unveiling the Breadth. Berkshire Hathaway, under the genius of Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, is a behemoth built on acquiring and holding fundamentally sound businesses. It's not just a holding company. It's a diversified conglomerate of established giants. Step 2. The insurance core at its heart. Berkshire is a powerhouse in the insurance industry. Think GEICO, the iconic automotive insurer, and Berkshire Hathaway Reinsurance. Protecting other companies from massive risks, these businesses generate consistent income, a bedrock for everything else. Step 3. Consumer staples and beyond. But Berkshire's reach extends far into our daily lives. It owns a significant stake in Coca-Cola, a global beverage giant, and who can resist the sweet indulgence of See's candies? More recently, they've embraced the future with a substantial investment in Apple. Step 4. Industrial might and infrastructure beyond consumer goods. Berkshire is deeply invested in the backbone of the economy. They own substantial stakes in manufacturing companies producing everything from tools to precision equipment. And crucially, they operate BNSF Railway, one of North America's largest freight networks, moving goods across the continent. Step 5. The underlying strength. The magic of Berkshire isn't just in the names. It's in the remarkable profitability and enduring strength of these individual businesses. Each company contributes to Berkshire's overall success, creating a resilient and powerful economic force. Owning Berkshire Hathaway stock means you're not just buying into a company. You're owning a piece of numerous established, profitable, and influential enterprises shaping our world.